Today, I'm going to start today's session on 5-second time frame, and it is going to be a lot of fun because 5-second expiry timing is very less. That is why I will have to focus more on candle movement. And today, I am not going to take the help of any indicators. I think 5 seconds works more on candle movement. So first of all, I will remove the AI trading button from here because I don't need it, and sometimes I accidentally press it. So to use this strategy, I have to pay very strong attention to the chart because in one chart I can get a lot of entries. Sometimes I miss good entry points, so I have to be very careful during the session. I have set the candle timing to 5 seconds here, and now I am adding some currencies, and then I also need to set the expiry timing. So I will set the expiry timing to 5 seconds here, and I have offset today's trade amount. So I have added all the functions here. Now the most important point is to find a good entry point because no matter how correctly you add the strategy, if you do not know the correct way to find the entry, then all the techniques become useless. Hence, I think this part is the most important. So here, after a strong downtrend, a reversal is forming, but there's a small sideways point behind it, due to which the chart cannot go straight up. The chart can move up and down and then up and down. So when the red candle is formed, then I will place the entry at the lower point of that red candle. So here I have placed the entry at the low point of the red candle, and it is great that the first entry has won here. The 5-second strategy requires early entry and also requires looking at the candle movement as well as historical data from the past few periods. There is a small resistance level here, so there are chances of a reversal from here, so I will have to place my entry keeping this in mind. There is a lot of volatility here. One of my entries lost, and then when I took a double entry again, I got the refund amount for one of the entries, and one entry won. And this time also, I have probably received the refund amount, and a very strong red candle is formed. Now, perhaps the selling pressure has increased. So the situation is quite difficult. Almost 3 of my entries have lost. So now I will wait for some time, and when the market comes near this support, then from here the market can make some candles reversal. So I will try to take advantage of this opportunity. So as I said, when the market reaches this level, I will place an entry. So I placed triple entries here and I won here. And the chart is showing more upward movement here. Great, I won here again. Now, before moving on to the next entry, if you are interested in free signals, you will find the link in the description. Free signals are available here from Monday to Friday, the quality of which you can check yourself. So here it can be clearly seen that after the strong movement, the market tried to move upwards but failed, and now again a red candle is being formed, which means a strong movement is going in the downward direction. So I'll just place an entry here because there's support here. The chart might break through this support and form a big green reversal candle, and that's great. The entry here is a winning one. Now I will move to the second chart because I did not like this chart much because there is not much possibility of getting entry here like the previous chart. Yes, this chart looks better than that because there is good movement in this chart. Here, the market has come up after forming a green candle for a long time. So now there is a high possibility of formation of another red candle, and this is the right time to place an entry. So here too, my first double entry, which I placed above, lost, and nicely, the triple entry here won. As I predicted, the market formed a large reversal candle. Now, before the upward movement resumes, I take advantage of this by placing an entry in the upside direction as well. And that's great. My entry has won again here. And I think I should close today's session here because it's not so important how many trades were won. Closing the session at the right time is an art.